Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete Apple Maps data on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open your settings app on your phone, then here scroll down and tap Maps. And here, scroll to the bottom and select Clear History under the History section. And this will delete all the recent searches and directions. Next, go back to the settings and scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Select the location services, then tap Maps. If you don't want Maps to keep tracking your location, choose Never or while using the app, depending on your preference. You can also open the Map app and swipe up from the bottom to view resets, then tap See All and clear all resets. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.